Hey guys, I'm Ethan Moore from Stockholm Supply, and today I'm going to talk a little bit in depth about tool rests on your lathes, and different styles of tool rests that are available. Now, this is a traditional cast iron tool rest. This is how they've been for over 100 years since they've been making cast iron lathes, and it works really, really well. Now, something to note about a tool rest like this here, often when you get a tool, that's going to be made out of high-speed steel, which is significantly harder than this cast iron. So one thing that you'll notice with use and with time, as you're using a tool like this, though that hard tool may eventually dig in and make little marks on your tool rest here. It'll be especially noticeable on something like a skew, where you're putting that sharp edge right into the tool rest. It'll mark it up quite easily. Now, one thing I'll suggest you do for your tools, not so important on a gouge, obviously, because the gouge is nice and round there, but something like a parting tool or a skew, if you take this over to a sander and you soften any sharp edges that might be on there, that's going to make a big difference in the longevity of your tool rest. Now, eventually, regardless of what you do, those tool rests will get marked up, and it will be difficult to kind of slide your tool back and forth with that damage on the top there. So after a period of time, you are going to want to take your tool rest and you're going to want to reface it to make it nice and flat. Again, you can do that with a belt sander quite easily. Now, in modern times, there's a new style tool rest available, like this here. This is a Raycon product, and rather than a cast iron, it has a brazed on hardened steel rod on the top. So that hardened steel rod is about as hard as you're going to get this tool here. So far less likely that you're going to mark this up because it's a lot harder steel. So that's going to last a lot longer. You won't need to reface it nearly as often. So yeah, that's kind of a neat little upgrade that's available now. Other companies make it. This is a Raycon version of that there, though. So yeah, that's just kind of a brief synopsis on different tool rests there. If anybody else has any questions, you can email me at info@stockholmsupply.com or just comment on the video. Thanks for watching.